So today we are going to learn about basics of the limits. So limit, when we talk about limit is basically, you can say, method which we use to define something. For example, something tends to something. Now, before going to what tends to what, we need to learn about two things: left hand limit and right hand limit, LHL and RHL for short. LHL means left hand limit. For it, let this be a number line and let our function, for example, for a particular interval, our function exists at this point x. Then for an LHL of this function, for example, that function tends to a number, particular number, let's say 1. That means it tends to a 1 but does not reaches 1. Means it is very small difference. For example, let's the difference be dh. Okay, so for the very small difference, we are using something called LHL and RHL. Whenever we use LHL, that means, for example, the number is 1. Say 1 is located here. So when we apply LHL, that means the function's value lies just before, means the x-axis lies just before 1. That means this side. As we know, as we go this side, the values become less, and as we go this side, the values increase, as it is part of the number line. So as the values are decreasing, increasing, this is known as LHL. That means you can say it is a kind of negative limit, not negative limit, but towards the lesser variety, while this is positive limit, that is towards the more variety. Now I am giving another example. For example, LHL of a function. No, let's say we are determining, okay, let's say fx is equals to x. Simple function. As you know, as you may know, it is a constant function as y equals to mx. So here inclination is 1, that means that tan. Anyway, we are not talking about it now currently. So if for it LHL, let's say x tends to 1 minus, that means it is less than 1. So x could be at 0.9, then x could be at 0.9999, like this. Now for RHL, which we use